If you want to take astrophotos on Samsung Galaxy S25, then in that case we need to open the camera. We need to go to More, and you need to download Expert RAW. Once you download it and open it, you should be able to tap on this bottle icon on the right side, and then we have two options. We can use this icon over here. In order to capture a astrophoto, we can tap on this icon in order to read the description of what it does. So we can capture the beauty of the night sky like never before. Astrophoto extends the shutter time, revealing the stars, galaxies, and other celestial wonders with stunning clarity. And here we can also adjust the capture time if needed. And the second option is Astro Portrait, where we can take Astro Portrait by pressing the shutter button when the person is in the frame, and then we leave them. Then have the person leave the frame after the flash, so the camera can capture the stars as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.